Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Kalshi. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, you want to open up the App Store or Google Play Store, then come down to the bottom right where it says Search. Go up to the search bar, tap on that, and then type in Kalshi, like so. And you want to look for this app right here. Unfortunately, this app is not available in my country, that's why I can't download it. But if it is available in your country, you will see an install button. You simply have to tap on that install button and your app will be installed. Once the app's finished downloading, you can go ahead and tap on where it says Open, or you can open it from your home screen. From here, you're going to need to sign up for Kalshi. You can either use your Google account, your Apple account, or you can use an email and password. Then it's going to ask you to enter in your date of birth. You are going to need to be 18 years or older to actually open up an account, and you also must live inside of the US. Then it's going to ask you to enter in your phone number. Next, you're going to need to verify your account and enter in your correct information. From here, it's going to ask you if you want to deposit cash into Kalshi. You can either use a bank transfer or wire transfer. I'll select the bank transfer and then enter in the amount I want to deposit. It's going to ask us to connect our bank account using Plaid. Go ahead and click on where it says Continue. You're going to need to enter in your phone number. Then you're going to need to choose the bank you want to connect. That's going to verify that you want to deposit this amount. Go ahead and click on where it says Submit. It'll say your cash has been deposited. I'm going to go ahead and click on where it says Done. And now we can finally use the Kalshi app. So that's basically how you can download and install Kalshi. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.